Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best DSLR shoulder rigs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the MARSRE Pro DSLR Shoulder Rig. The MARSRE Pro is a well-designed DSLR shoulder rig filming system designed to work as a camera shoulder mount. It's fitted with a camera and camcorder mount slider, ideal for all the DSLR DV camcorders and video cameras. As a stabilizing shoulder rig, this system provides shake-free filming. The frame of this DSLR shoulder rig is made from a durable aluminum alloy, which is a CNC machined for perfect fitting and lightweight design. It features an ergonomic design with a lightweight construction, allowing the user to carry it for hours without fatigue. Additionally, the fitted camera mount slider allows angle and position adjustments for ideal shooting points. The padded handles feature a thin foam material which wears off quickly but provides perfect comfort and can be replaced easily and cheaply. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VidPro Mis 500 Motorized Shoulder Rig. Are you in need of the best DSLR shoulder rig within budget and still does a perfect job? The VidPro Mis 500 shoulder rig is an ideal choice for you. Can you imagine what you can do with a motorized focus and zoom? The model will give perfect answers. It comes as a high-performance motorized focus and zoom shoulder rig designed to fit all digital DSLR cameras perfectly. Everything on this model is designed to offer the best filming while also keeping the user comfortable. It does feature a unique electric motor drive system designed to provide seamless focusing and zooming control. The handle grips feature thumb switches integration, giving users full lens control while also maintaining a firm grip. The handle isn't that ergonomic, but it offers ideal support and stabilization. At number 3, we have the YCCC Movie Shoulder Rig Set System Kit. Here is another affordable and practical shoulder rig ideal for DSLR cameras and camcorder. The YCCC Movie video making rig set is a filming system set that comes with a shoulder mount, a rail rod system, and a mat box. Everything in this set is designed to be compatible with any camcorder DSLR camera. It's a high-quality model with an industrial standard size, making it ideal for commercial applications. The durable rail rod system fitted on this unit holds the camera and allows easy tripod mounting using a screw thread. It also comes with adjustable top and side flags equipped to help get rid of the excess light in your image. The system is a bit large, but it's lightweight and portable. At number 2, we have the Moo Photo SG100 Shoulder Support Rig. The Moo Photo SG100 is yet another well-designed DSLR shoulder rig designed for a run-and-gun video shooting style. As a video shooting support rig for DSLR camcorders and cameras, it enables smoother camera movements not possible with using a handheld setup. It does have a lightweight and ergonomic design which helps in reducing fatigue for prolonged use. The Moo rig has an aluminum construction, allowing it to support a max capacity of up to 5 pounds, which is ideal for any DSLR or small to middle-sized camcorders. With its cushioned shoulder pad, it gives an excellent alleviation to stress and fatigue. It comes with an SGW5 counterweight and an FFA2 rail system, ideal for perfect DSLR video shooting. And finally, at number 1, we have the Moros DSLR Shoulder Rig Movie Kit. Moros DSLR rig movie kits are the next best shoulder rig in the list. As one of the high-quality DSLR camera and video camcorder rig, this unit is also a compact run-and-gun video shooting rig. It does come with a flexible quick-release camera plate that is fitted with a padded hand grip. Additionally, the flexibility makes it easily adjustable to allow you to have different shooting mode. The rig is wholly designed for a slip-free, repeatable, and accurate focus movement. It can be mounted on both sides, for easy right-hand or left-hand use. What's more, the adjustable height allows the rig to fit different lens sizes and diameters. There is also a swing-away mechanism for easy and quick lens changes. It's a system ideal for making a video with a movable scene or even micro shoots. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.